PB Squad. It's your girl Jazz, and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, you guys, I will be doing a high ponytail, sometimes called a genie ponytail. If you guys would like to see that video, make sure you guys hit the like button first. Go ahead, pause the video, and like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe if you are new to the channel, because we would love to have you. Also, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. Please go over and follow me on Instagram now. I'm trying to get to 1,000 followers on Instagram. Make sure you guys head over there and do that. The link will be down in the description. And also make sure you guys hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications. That way you are notified every single time that I post. And we're just going to get right into this hair tutorial.
Hey y'all, so my hair is freshly shampooed and conditioned. It is also blow dried and flat ironed out. I did that to my hair maybe 2 days ago, and then I decided to go ahead and do this style. So this style that I'm doing, as I said before, it is called a genie ponytail is what a lot of people call it, but it's just a high pony with braiding hair. Now, to do this style, it should take under 15 minutes, maybe under 10 minutes, but it took me about 13 minutes to do this style. So it's very quick and easy if there's somewhere you have to go, if you're in a hurry or a rush. And I just think it's cute, you know? So right here, as you guys saw, I just applied some jam to my hair. You can use edge control gel, whatever for your liking. Don't mind that. That's my daughter in the background. She having a good sleep. She's stretching. So you're going to just pull your hair up into a ponytail. Like I said, this is a high pony, so I'm putting it further up, but it's kind of in the center of my head because I don't want it all the way on the top like a top knot. So just put it to where you would like it sitting on your head. And then I put my hair into like a small little bun, and I'm bobby pinning it down so I don't have to wrap it around the scrunchie. And then right here, I'm going to just go ahead and dig in with my edges. I've been slacking a little bit with my edges. I'm not gonna lie. I really don't know what's going on, but your girl gonna get it together. I'm gonna get it together. So like I said, right here, you're just gonna see me doing my edges, and then I'll come back into the video. Alright, so my edges are complete, and I'm just adding a little bit more of my jam to my ponytail before I wrap it up. You do want to make sure that you wrap your head in a scarf for at least about 5 to 10 minutes, just so all the products and everything can sit in and your edges be lazy. But anyways, this is actually some leftover braiding hair I had. I had bought 3 bags of those 3 bundles, and I used that for some jumbo knotless braids that I did. If you guys would like a tutorial in doing some jumbo knotless braids, feed in braids, by the way. Yes, your girl learned how to feed in some weave. I was so happy. But if you guys would like to see a video on that, just leave a comment down in the comment section below, and I'll get that up for you guys. But I just took 1 full bundle, and I also had a half a bundle left from the knotless braids. So I have a full bundle and a half a bundle in this braid right here. And I just tied a knot with a scrunchie between the hair. If you guys saw what I'm talking about, I'm just over explaining at this point. But you just attach it to your head, and you make the ponytail as tight as you want it. You can tie it around your bun 2-3 times, just as tight as you want it. I didn't want it that tight because this is just a temporary hairstyle. But once you put it on your head, you flip the hair backwards and you just tie a small piece around just so it'll look like it's more natural. And then I'm just gonna tie it in with some Got To Be spray. Yes, the spray, the yellow can. You guys, make sure you're using the yellow can out here. But yeah, I'm just gonna spray that just so it'll set in some more. No, I didn't go in with a blow dryer. A lot of people go in with a blow dryer. And in the end of wrapping this, I'm also going to apply a bobby pin anyway, just for extra security. So that is just an option if you guys would like to do that as well. Okay, so at this point, you just want to play with the ponytail. Make sure it's sitting right on your hair. Make sure it's an even amount on both sides and that it's covering your bun. Also, make sure that you detangle.
You guys, I am loving this pony. The only downfall I would say about this hairstyle is that it is braiding hair, which is synthetic, so it kind of gets all over the place. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did this hairstyle under 15 minutes. So if you guys just need a quick little hairstyle just to go somewhere, go to the store, go pick up your kids from school, anything like that, you guys can just put your hair up in a bun and add some leftover braiding hair. This hair, I actually got this hair from my local beauty supply store, and I had like 3 bags of these, and they come in 3 bundles. I bought this hair to do my knotless braids. If you guys haven't seen that, make sure you guys go check out my TikTok. I have a lot of TikToks with my knotless braids, so you guys can go check that out if you would like to see this style. But I ended up having an entire pack and half a bundle left. So what you guys saw me put in my hair was actually 1 full bundle and a half a bundle. And I still have plenty of hair left over to do more hairstyles. If you guys would like to see more braiding hairstyles, make sure you guys leave that in the comment section down below. Any styles you guys would like to see. But other than that, I hope you guys have liked this video like I asked you to. And subscribe if you're feeling your girl Jazz, because I am. Bye.